a great choice today with the 2019 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel drive, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 player, child safety locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.